Welcome to Fly Over the Map. Today, we find ourselves in Gibraltar. Feel free to leave a comment letting me know which building or landmark you'd like to see next. As a small thank you, I'll mention you in the video about it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today's location we find in Upper Rock Nature Reserve. We are flying over the Windsor Suspension Bridge today. Let's enjoy the view. The Windsor Suspension Bridge is an impressive pedestrian bridge located in the Upper Rock Nature Reserve in Gibraltar, offering stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Opened in 2016, the bridge stretches 71 meters, 233 feet, across a deep gorge, suspended about 50 meters, 164 feet, above the ground, providing an exhilarating experience for visitors who cross it. Constructed as part of the Gibraltar Nature Reserve's network of hiking trails, the bridge serves both as an exciting attraction and a convenient connector between popular landmarks on the Upper Rock. The structure is made of steel cables and supported by two towering concrete pillars, ensuring its stability and safety, even though its height and swaying sensation make it thrilling for those who walk across. From the bridge, visitors can enjoy panoramic views of the Strait of Gibraltar, the Bay of Algeciras, and the African coast on clear days, making it a favorite spot for photographers and nature lovers. The location of the Windsor Suspension Bridge also provides a unique perspective of Gibraltar's wildlife, including its famous Barbary macaques, which often roam the surrounding areas. The bridge is easily accessible as part of a hike through the Upper Rock Nature Reserve, a protected area that offers numerous trails and historical landmarks such as O'Hare's Battery and St. Michael's Cave. The Windsor Suspension Bridge adds an adventurous edge to exploring the rich natural and historical heritage of Gibraltar. We look forward to welcoming you on board again next time for Fly Over the Map. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us a like or comment.